السماء لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. I would like to call Mohim for Hadith. Assalamu alaikum. आज की हदीस है सलाम खुशमा सलाम को फैलाओ. Today my friends are telling you about interesting facts about diabetes sugar. Sugar in your pancreas is called insulin resistant. Thank you. Sugar in your liver is called fatty liver. Thank you. Sugar in our kidney is called kidney disease. Sugar isn't just affecting your weight, it's affecting your entire body. Sugar in your arteries is called heart disease. In your brain is called dementia. Sugar in your joints is called inflammation. Sugar in your skin is called agitation too. Say no to sugar. Enjoy our presentation. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Start. तरफ की ओर कमान